What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to First Generation Drs. And as promised, I have the collaboration that I talked about in my last video. And if you haven't already watched that, please go back and watch it. On this channel, I do my best to bring value every time I post a video because I understand how important and valuable time is. So it is with special excitement that I'm pleased to welcome Dorothea to my channel today. Dorothea is a cook that runs the Instagram account Blissful Comfort. The account shows some of her great creations, some of which we'll be showing you today.
Thank you so much, Brian, for the introduction. I'm super excited to be collaborating with you. We have some great alternatives to amp up some of the pre-workout snacks for you, starting with the peanut butter crunch.
Okay.
All right, so we'll go ahead and just take a banana.
All right.
I'm gonna peel it and we're gonna start slicing it.
Okay.
Banana.
Just gonna use half for now.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
All right.
All right, slice it.
All right. Is that good?
That's perfect.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these rice cakes, and when we're done, we're gonna go ahead and use some of our local peanut butter here.
Local peanut butter, okay. Well, is this like organic or?
This is actually from a local farm located in Ocoee, Florida.
Okay.
Yeah. So the recipe calls for like 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, but if you're like me, I like peanut butter, and this one is crunchy, so it still has some of the peanuts in it. But if you prefer a creamy peanut butter, go ahead and use creamy peanut butter.
Yeah, I like that. I gotta put a whole lot on there.
Peanut butter is really good.
Yes, yes. Now what else?
Go ahead and layer the bananas.
Banana.
Yeah.
Good source of potassium, as you know. Help you with them cramps. You know. Alright.
Alright, so what makes this the peanut butter crunch is we're gonna add some chia seeds to it.
Chia seeds.
Yeah.
And by the way, chia seeds is a good antioxidant. It also has omega-3s, which is something that helps with the risk of heart disease. Alright, I'm going ahead and add that.
You can put as little or as much as you want. Alright, and what we're gonna do to finish it off, we're gonna go ahead and drizzle some wildflower honey. It's organic.
Honey.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go ahead and drizzle it. And then we're gonna go ahead.
I'll get that. Alright.
That looks really good.
What else?
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and set it on a plate
Grab
here.
this plate.
Let's put it right over here. And we're done. This looks really great, Brian.
Man, thank you, thank you. So you fitness gurus out there, y'all will really like this one. This next one is high in protein. It has 39 grams of carbs, 27 grams of net carbs, and just a little side note, net carbs is, you know, the amount of carbs that it has minus the amount of fiber that it has, and that's the number you really want to track when you want to track your macros. Moving along, it has 27 grams of fat, and this isn't like bad fat, this is healthy fats. Healthy fats, they're good for help lowering your cholesterol and also lowering your risk of heart disease. So what you got for us right now?
Okay, so I have 3 pieces of chicken breast.
Okay.
I lightly seasoned it because we're gonna make chicken salad, and I have all the good stuff to go ahead and get. So I've already chopped it. It's already been cooked. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl here.
Okay.
All right.
You mind if I have a piece?
Sure, you can go ahead. Let me know how it tastes.
And all set, man.
Okay. So then we're gonna do maybe like 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise here. And then we're gonna add some Himalayan pink salt.
Okay. And some of the benefits of Himalayan pink salt is that it helps you to balance your pH levels. And it also helps with the skin condition psoriasis.
I'm gonna add some paprika.
Okay.
Just a teaspoon. I like paprika a lot. We're gonna add some garlic powder.
All right.
And then onion powder. Oh, there we go.
All right.
Onion powder and then some parsley.
All right.
Alright. And then with my chicken salad, I like to use 2 different types of raisins. So I like the gold raisins.
Grab these
Yeah, go ahead and put that in there. And then I like, that's enough.
That's good.
Yeah, and then we can go ahead and add the regular raisins.
All right, so light skin raisins and black raisins. All right.
If you say so. We'll go ahead and mix it up.
Oh, that looks too good, man. How'd you learn how to do this?
I learned this from just a recipe, but looking. I like to snack with like pita chips and whatnot, so I'll take some pita chips, make some chicken salad.
Okay.
Yeah, chicken salad is really easy. It's simple. And then what we can do to add some more protein to it, we're gonna add some pecans. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side.
All right.
And I'm gonna just chop a few of the pecans up here. And chop it up.
And pecans are also a good source of healthy fats, and I just told you the benefits of that, so keep that in mind.
Alright, let's see if I got enough chopping here. We're not gonna use all of it. I'm gonna reserve some of it for the toppings, but I'm gonna take a few of it here, drop it right in there.
Alright, you want me to start stirring this?
Yeah,
lady?
if you can, you
All
can
right.
start stirring it up. Then I'll go ahead and place that there.
All right.
The rest of the pecans right there. Just gonna use this. Alright, so it's already done. Go ahead and lay it on top of it.
Man, this looks so good.
This is gonna be a really great snack.
Smell good too.
And I'll go ahead and the reserved pecan, go ahead and just top it off some more.
Alright.
And then just a little bit more. This is dried parsley, by the way.
Okay.
You can do that. Or you can use fresh parsley.
Okay.
Love it. And go ahead and just put it on the plate here.
Voila. So this one, there's two variations that you can do. One with an egg and one without an egg. And we're gonna show you one without an egg.
Okay, so this one is the hummus and avocado rice cake. So we're gonna start with some Hass avocados, and we're gonna go ahead and start slicing them to put on top of our rice cake.
And one thing about avocados, they're kind of like, you know, the peanuts, the almonds, and the chia seeds, and the peanut butter. They have the same benefits those have because of the healthy fats.
Yeah, slice it. Alright, so that is done slicing. I'm going to go ahead and take one of the rice cakes here. I'm going to spread some hummus. This is a Mediterranean hummus. You can go ahead and just grab any of your local stores hummus. You know, they have different variations. This one is rosemary and some other spices with olive oil drizzled on it. So this is going to be enough. There we go. And then we're going to add some pink Himalayan salt, not too much.
And we already told y'all about the benefits of the pink Himalayan salt.
Alright, and then I'm going to do some fresh cracked black pepper. If I can get open.
Dorothea, I did a little bit of research, and I found that this has 396 calories, which isn't a whole lot. 36 grams of fats, 15 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of protein. So it's not the most protein dense choice, but you know, it tastes pretty good.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just layer the avocado slices hard. Yeah. And we're going to add some tomatoes.
Alright.
Some tomatoes here, slice 2 to 3 probably cherry tomatoes here. Alright. Go ahead and just add it on top.
Oh,
Ooh,
man.
they're falling.
That's definitely vegan friendly.
It sure is. Go ahead and clasp the plate.
Okay. Wow.
There you go.
Alright. Alright, so this next one is to satisfy the sweet tooth. Yes, we left it for last because it's like a dessert. Let's go.
Alright, so we are gonna go ahead and start spreading some of chocolate hazelnut spread.
Okay.
So you can use your favorite brand like Nutella. I'm gonna go ahead and put a lot because I like chocolate.
Alright.
Love me some chocolate. Okay, this is not enough. I need some more.
Let's do it.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Alright. I love some chocolate. I'm gonna put this over here. And I'm gonna put that there. Go ahead and grab me the bowl of strawberries, please.
Do it. Alright.
Okay, so let me go ahead and put it right here. Go ahead and slice a couple of strawberries. Cut off the tops. This. Thinly slice. Let me do it. Like
So
this.
I bet some of y'all are wondering, you know, the macros on this one. So to start off, it has about 411 calories. A little low in protein. It only has 3 grams, 27 grams of fat, and 39 grams of carbs. This will be another one to give you the energy you need to push through the gym.
Alright, and we're gonna make it a little tropical with this. We're gonna add some shredded coconut flakes.
Ooh.
Throw some little Caribbean flair in there.
Oh man.
Alright, let's go ahead and layer these strawberries. Okay.
Ooh.
You go ahead and drizzle that on there.
Hold up, how about you do it?
The salt.
Hey, let's do it. Put a little extra on there. Let's
You
do it.
love some coconut.
Man.
Doesn't this look great?
Man, this looks delicious. I'm about to dig in. So as you can see, we brought y'all 4 recipes that you can eat post or pre-workout. Gives you the energy that you need to push through those workouts and get that last rep in. So Dorothea should be coming up with a YouTube channel. When do you think, you know, we'll be able to?
Go ahead and check out my Instagram account at Blissful Comfort and we'll keep you posted.
All right. And remember, y'all, and always remember to be the first to do it. And if not you, then who?